Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today we'll be unboxing this camera. It is a Wi-Fi camera. It has cloud storage, and let's see. It is a Wi-Fi camera, that is, and it is intelligent. You can see it is it's like a CCTV Wi-Fi camera. So guys, let us unbox and see how it looks or what is inside the box. So guys, this is the box, and this is the camera itself. Then we have a manual. This is the manual. So you can see we have a manual here. Then we have some screws and wall pads for mounting. You can mount the camera with this. Then we have a charging cable. Is micro USB cable. As you can see, it's not type C, so don't expect type C. And that's that. So we have the camera itself here. This is the camera. As you can see, this is the camera. We have some LED here and IR for night vision. Then we have some what do we call this one, for Wi-Fi. And we have this one for Wi-Fi. Then we have what we have a charging port here. Here we have a charging port. Then we have a SD card. You can put your SD card here. We have a reset button here. And then on the back we have a speaker here. As you can see, this is a speaker. So guys, let us connect with the power so that we can see how it works. Yes, like that. So after connecting, so go ahead and install the app. Let us install the app and see how it works. Now to connect your camera, go to your Wi-Fi settings. As you can see, you will see your available networks. Then you will find this one called PTZA. Go ahead and select that one, and then you connect it. This is the Wi-Fi network which will connect your phone and the camera. So in short, this is the camera's Wi-Fi. So go ahead and connect that, and it will tell you internet is unavailable. It's okay. Then after that, go to Google Play. You can download this app. It's called YSX Lite, or you can scan the QR provided on the manual of the camera. Now go ahead and select after installing, just open the app. It will ask you for some permission. Go ahead and allow them. After allowing them, this is the camera. As you can see, it has detected the camera. So let's go ahead and configure the network. So say okay. As you can see now, on here it will provide you your local Wi-Fi network. So you go ahead and select the Wi-Fi or network which you use, so that it will link your camera and your device which will be monitoring your camera with. So my network will be this one. So go ahead and select that Wi-Fi network of your home, and then after selecting it, go ahead and put your Wi-Fi pin or password, and then say save, and then okay. So after connecting that, your camera, you are setting your camera's Wi-Fi network. So after that, it will produce some noise. It will tell you that it is connected. As you can see, it is logged in. So for this first, if you want to play or see what the current status or how it is, so just press the play button. It will ask you for to accept to record the audio. So just say allow, and there, as you can see, it is recording now. Now this is your directional button. You can rotate the camera. As you can see, as we press, it is rotating. you can rotate like this. It is seeing on the other side. You can just rotate like this, as you can see, guys. You can rotate on the other side like so. As you can see, anytime I rotate, it rotates. As you can see, guys, it is rotating. Anytime you rotate, it rotates. So you can control anything here, everything you want. You can talk to someone who is on the other line. Let's try that. Hello. Hello. So you can hear, you can speak to someone who is on the other end. So you can speak to someone who is on the other hand. Then you can light the cameras. It has also night vision. If we could be on a place where we can access, where it's dark, you can see it has light. And you can rotate here, so that if you want it to position, then you can put it on the full screen like this. So it has a lot of function you can control, but the only problem in this camera, it does not have remote control. You cannot control it remotely. You can only control it on the same local area network or on the same Wi-Fi. Let's say if the camera is at home, you can only control it when you are at home, accessing the same Wi-Fi network as the camera. So if you are further on another network, let's say you are on another place, which on another place you cannot control or access the camera. So this is the downgrade. I was not expecting this. I was expecting it. You can see whatever is happening when you are on any network, or when you are far away, when you are not at the same place as the camera. So this is the bad side of this camera. So but it's a good thing where you can place it on your door. When you are at home, you can see whoever is on the door when someone knocks, but on other things you cannot see it remotely. So I don't think if someone wants that kind of feature, you cannot access using this camera. But there are other things, which other cameras, even the small one I saw, which you can control it, or you can see, or you can survey. You can have the surveillance when you are farther away. But for this, that is not good for someone who wants that kind of remotely control. So I don't think this is a good thing to have. But if you want something where you just control something from what we call it, just something which you can control in the house, well, you can buy this one. Anyway, guys, this is the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next one.